Hi guys, this is How To, and today I just want to say a new sort of competition, not really though, has come out. So basically, type your favourite IO game, so like Slither.io, Spazix.io, Hole.io, there's loads of IO games. Type it in the comments of this video or in the channel discussion or in the our website on our blog. Comment on the new blog message about this competition and type in your favourite IO game, and next video I will play it. So it can't be IO we've already played like Slither.io, but it can be a different one, so just make sure it has .io at the end and then we'll be able to play it. Now I know this is a short video, but next video we'll be playing the game a lot, so maybe about a couple of minutes, probably like maybe 7 minutes, something like that. Anyway, I really hope your game gets chosen for this, and over and out.